There's a new feature in Google Sheets called Tables. Tables are templates with customizable drop-down menus, column and row labels, colors, and formatted cells. When you open Google Sheets, the Tables menu has likely been opening for you on the right. If the Tables menu does not open the Insert menu and select Tables to get this menu to appear for you. The Tables menu has a variety of templates available for you. One helpful one that I found is the Team Goals template, which you can use either as a team or just as yourself individually. To find the Team Goal table, scroll down to the Team Planner area. Expand the menu and select Team Goals. That will insert the table for you on this sheet. Now you'll notice that each column has a header, colors are integrated, and drop-down menus are customizable. The first few rows are always populated for you to give you a look and feel of how this table can exist. What I do is I select those rows that already have items filled in, and I delete those rows. Then I'm able to select the various drop-down menus and edit them if I don't care for those tasks. So for instance, maybe this priority, maybe I want to edit the column name. There it goes. And maybe call it trimester. And expand it a little bit so trimester is right there. And instead of P's, maybe I want to change those to T's. And you would hit the edit button. You'll notice that the data validation rule table is opening back up. And maybe I want to go T1, T2, T3. There isn't a T0, so I can hit the trash can here. Click done. And now those drop downs say T1, T2, or T3. And I could type in a goal, sample goal. I could give it an owner if there's a few people working on this template together. We could have a status. We could indicate the date. You can attach files from your Google Drive, and you can also implement notes. In addition to that, I have a sample one done up for you here. So maybe goal number 1 is family communication, and I want to identify it for trimester 1, and I input my dates, and I've attached a sample related file, and you can continue tracking your goals this way. Additionally, you'll notice that Google Forms has tables integrated in it when people submit their data. So this is a sample group of data, and it is color-coded with purple from our Google form, and it has various information in it from the Google form. So I wanted to just bring that to your attention, that tables are something you will see if you're utilizing Google Forms, but it's also something you can take advantage of by using the other templates such as goals, or there's even budgeting and event planning. Please reach out with any questions.